Hello everyone, how are you all doing? This is Catalina from Catalina's Visions. Last night I made a video. I just want to explain the reason why I made the video. It's about Haitians and Haiti. Um, I just want you all to know that, and all that is happening to Haiti, the governments, American government choose who's supposed to be in the government, who supposed to be in place for them, because they're the one giving orders. So whatever is happening, they are responsible too in Haiti, including what we have lost in Haiti. I want you to know that in 1915, when we were occupied by the United States of America, we had 500,000 of gold snatched, seized by America, and to put in the national bank in the United States. Gold. So in every decision that is making, the government of America is always on top for making decisions on Haiti. And that need to stop, because they never really was or wanted good to happen to Haitians in Haiti. Because all they do, it's take and take and take when they come. Even when the ONU come to Haiti, they don't help Haitians. And I'm sure that you heard some videos too about people who spoke about what happened when they were in Haiti, and they went to Haiti to help. Their bosses told them to, no, we didn't come to do all these things. Just relax, it's relaxing, they didn't really come to do anything good for the country, for the people. When they come, they take and leave. So I'm just letting you know, when you have something to say negative about Haiti, Haiti was driven to this point. If you don't have anything good to say or treat Haitians good, remember, Haitians contributing. That's why I made that video to explain to you that Haitians has contributed. They have contributed to what America is right now. If you search, you will know. Because they were the one who fought for you, while anybody else, and what Haitian did for America, America never get to that point to do that for Haitians. Because all that is happening in Haiti, that is 1 hour and 45 minutes away from America, from United States. They leave, they go to places that is about 1 day, almost a day, or more than a day to make it there, instead of helping Haitians get in their feet, which Haitians don't want them to do, because they get involved in Haitians' government, and we don't want that anymore. Haitian people don't want that anymore. Haitian people will do things by themselves now to reach greatness. Something that no other countries wants for Haiti. None of the other countries want that for Haiti, because all that is happening in Haiti it was forced, it was planned against the Haitians to keep them down, to keep them to the lowest. So the video that I made, it's for you to understand that wherever any other people come from to come to America, to have a life the same way Haitian people came to have a life, Haitian people deserve to be here more than anybody else who didn't help America to get here right now. So please, whenever you have something negative to say about Haitians, think about it twice. Haitians deserve respect from anyone, any countries, the same way Haitians respect anyone and any countries. So that's all I had to say. I know the video is long because you're going to see the other video that I made to explain to you. Haitian people went through hell. Things that didn't have to happen happened to Haitians because so many countries put their nose in everything that is happening in Haiti, including ruling. So thank you very much. I love you all, always, because I'm Haitian.